Bonjour à tous, je vais vous interpréter Titanic. Alors je voudrais m'excuser un petit peu pour mon anglais parce qu'en fait je suis vraiment nulle, donc excusez-moi d'avance. Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the past does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my head, and my head will go on. Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime, and never go till we're wrong. Love was when I loved you, when through time I hold to. In my life will always go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heavens does go on. You open the door, and you're here in my head, and my heart will go on. You're here, there's nothing I fear, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever.